don't need to record that. That's too quiet. Another surfline.
Final boarding call for Amtrak. Northbound train 785 headed for Los Angeles, Santa Barbara. And making intermediate stops departing track 1. All aboard.
This is going to Santa Barbara?
Yep. No.
Surfline.
It is. Look out, look out, look out. Hurry, hurry.
Don't fall down.
Yeah, don't fall down like I did today. There's a train there now. You hit that, it's going to hurt.
It's gonna hurt. Better be.
What?
Well,
You get a great...
Yellow light for the chief now.
Yeah, I see it. Flashing yellow.
oh, cool. We need a sheet.
We're going to stiff the chief.
45, 650.
Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho.
You know the Santa I'm talking about. I hate this one.
Okay.
I love that when he goes, you shoot your eye out, kid, and puts his foot up.
Ho, ho, ho. Yeah.
Gonna put your...
You don't put your eye out. Bye. Like your gloves. Liked your gloves. They were pretty cool. See ya. My side. Nah, it wasn't her. Like I said, I think she took the day off.
621, so we got about